I'm Chef Carol, and today I am going to make fresh cranberry sauce. Now, I know that there are members of the family who prefer not to have berries in their cranberry sauce. Today, I'm going to teach you how to take care of both parties. I am one who likes berries. My sister is one who does not like berries. There is a solution for us. Now, what I'm going to do today is demonstrate to you how to use a zester, how to have orange zest added to your cranberry sauce. And of course, this is a sugar-free keto cranberry sauce. The best of both worlds. So let's get to it. This is a sugar-free cranberry sauce recipe. I like cranberry sauce with berries in it. So I have here 12 ounces of organic berries that I've washed. I have a half a cup of water, and I have a cup of a powdered allulose sweetener. And I'm going to add to that, after it's cooked, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So the one item some may not be familiar with is orange zest. This is a zester. And what you do is you very gently remove the orange skin off of the orange. Now what you want to do is make sure you don't go down to the part that's white. That part is going to be bitter. So what we need here is a teaspoon of orange zest. Now the orange zest is optional, but it gives the cranberry sauce a nice fresh taste. When you see the orange is about like that, you see there's barely any skin left on it, then you just move on to another part of the orange. And you see the zester gathers the orange zest inside. You see this is very easy. And it smells so good. Okay, so we have our orange zest in the pot. I have the sugar, have the berries, have the orange zest, and the water. I'm just going to cook this until the berries start to pop. And once the berries start to pop, it's the beginning of the berries becoming cranberry sauce. So let's get to it. The berries cooked for 15 minutes. And at the end of the cooking time, I cooked them on a medium heat. And I started to smash the berries just by pushing the spoon against the side of the pot. Now I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Just going to stir that in. Now I know that everyone does not like berries in their cranberry sauce. So what you can do after you cook it is you get a sieve and you just stir the berries. And as you can see, the berries are remaining in the sieve and the sauce is coming through the bottom of the sieve. This way you're able to make cranberry sauce for everyone in the family, whether they like cranberries in this sauce or whether they only like the cranberry sauce. All you do at this point is put it in a mason jar, refrigerate it, and when it's time, just serve it on the table straight from the mason jar. I think you're gonna like it. Bon appetit.